There you go, there you go, there you go. Alright, Nate, I'm plugging. Ah! Don't stand there, Nate. He's gonna go around. Alright guys, I'm plugging in, but it might go off just in case, okay? It usually doesn't, but I always do this to be safe.
Bam!
Alright, Kurt, I'm taking off. I've got rockets in here. I'll wait till you land. Alright. It's kind of anemic. I mean, it gets going pretty good.
Yeah, now that we're used to real power.
Yeah.
eBay fan, man. Thank you.
It gets going.
Well, the rockets, it gets it going, and then it holds the speed.
No, even without, it gets going pretty good.
You gonna go right
No,
now?
I'm gonna wait for him to land.
Rockets are activated via remote.
Yeah.
Oh, snap. Are you gonna activate?
Yeah, as soon as Kurt turns in, I'm going.
Alright, he's clear.
I got it from someplace on eBay.
Someplace, aka China.
Super quiet, you can barely hear it.
Alright, you going?
As soon as Kurt pulls in.
Alright, next pass.
Alright, rocket's going off.
Where is it?
It's coming. You'll notice.
You'll feel it coming. I like the poof.
Poof, poof.
It's not even slow without the rocket. It's not even slow without the rocket. Cool, great.
Ah, man, I miss my car. It's just sitting.
Oh, you have one, that's right.
Yeah, but it's got the metal mercury alloy fan.
We used to do formation.
Yeah. Because it's the only fan I had. He did eventually get me an eBay fan, and it's just sitting at home.
You know what I want to do? I want to put 2 D rockets on the end of this guy.
Oh, it would make the thing blow up.
That'd be cool.
These are huge.
I remember I did that one in Apprentice. My friend, me and my friend were out in school, and he's like a big into rockets kind of guy. He's that kind of.
You got to put the rockets right on the CG, or it makes it do weird stuff.
Yeah, no, we did it, and he had 2 C rockets.
I don't know.
All right, landing. I'm a little crazy. I'm a little crazy.